how to create profile picture for YouTube channel with AI. Of course, you have to open the YouTube from your app, and then when you look at the top right hand corner where you have the profile picture, come and then click on it, and then simply come here to where you have the YouTube studio, and then come and then select it. So within your YouTube studio, when you look at the left hand side from the dashboard coming downwards, you are going to see that we have customization. Come and then click on it to select it. So come and then make sure that from customization, profile is selected, and then from the profile we have the profile picture. Okay, so you can use your own picture or any other picture as the profile picture, but we have this requirement that you have to meet. So the first requirement is at least 98 by 98 pixels. The image should be at least that, and then it shouldn't be more than 4 megabytes. Okay, it should be 4 megabytes or less, and it has to be a PNG or a GIF. Okay, it is not supposed to be an animation image. Okay, so now all that you have to do is simply go to Google, and then from Google search, simply come and then search for OpenAI, because we need the image, and I'm not going to use my own image. Then come and then select the OpenAI official website, and from the official website scroll down and then come here to where we have try ChatGPT. We are going to use ChatGPT to generate the image. Okay, so when you come here to where it says create image, come and then click on it, and then over here come and then give the prompt for ChatGPT to generate the image. You can use your own image if you prefer, but I'm going to use this image which is going to be generated by ChatGPT. Okay, so you can pause the video to read the prompt, and then it has to be an image of 100 by 100 pixels. Okay, so that you get the good dimension. And when you're done, simply come and then click on the send, and then wait for ChatGPT to generate the image for you. So this is the image that I have asked ChatGPT to generate for me. So let's download the image by clicking on the download button, and the image has successfully been downloaded. Next, what you have to do is simply go to Google and then search for Canva. Okay, just like this one. Come and select the official site of Canva, and then from the home page of Canva, what you have to do is that you have to come here to where we have the custom size, create new, and then come and then select that one. And then from the custom size, the width, come and then type in 500, and then the height to come and then type in 500 as well. And then after that, come and make sure that the unit is pixels. Okay, come and then make sure unit selected is pixels, and come here to where we have create new design, come and then select it. So within the design, come and then click on the uploads. Okay, and then come and then upload the file. Okay, by clicking on upload file, the one that you want to use as your profile picture. So I'm going to use the image that was generated by ChatGPT, and then open it. Okay, so as you can see, it is uploading, and when it's finished uploading, all that you have to do is to simply come and then select the image. Okay, so if you use your own image, you are going to do the exact same thing. So you can resize it by putting the mouse on the edges and then dragging it. Okay, so let me do the exact same thing to the button, and after resizing it, where we have the top right hand corner where we have the share, come and then click on the share, and then when you click on the share, you will see that we have the download button. Come and then click on the download, and over here come and make sure that the file type that is being selected is PNG. Okay, and then we have 500 by 500 pixels, and simply come here to the download and then come and click on the download. Okay, so now we have been able to download it our image, okay, in the dimension that we can use it as our profile picture. Now let's go back to our channel, the profile, and then come here to the profile picture section. Okay, and then simply come here to where you have the change, and then come and click on the change. So when you click on the change, you can then come and then select the image that was generated and then click on open, and as you can see, the image has been selected successfully. When you look at the button, you can use your mouse to crop it anyhow that you want it. Okay, so you can crop it if you don't want the full image size, and then simply come here to where we have the done, and then come and then click on the done. Okay, so as you can see, the image has been selected successfully, and all that you have to do is simply come here to the top right hand corner where we have the publish, and then come and click on the publish and wait for the image to be published. So as you can see, the changes has been saved, and then we can go and then look at it. So when you look at the top left hand corner, you see that the image has been set as our profile picture, and we can see it directly where we go to where we have view channel and then come and click on it. And as you can see, this is our profile picture. So like the video and then leave a comment, and see you in my next video.